Okay, today we're going to explain step by step how to create a Google account from your phone. The first thing we're going to do is watch the step-by-step video tutorial. This method works regardless of the phone model. Today we're using a Xiaomi, but the model doesn't matter. That said, what we're going to do is go to Settings. We'll look for the Settings option. That's the most important one. Easy. We go to Settings, scroll down and select the Account option. We select Google. We select the Google Account option. Here, if you have an email address, it will appear. If not, click here, and you'll see the option to add a Google account. Because I have an email address, it will appear here, but I click where it says, Add Google Account. Here it will ask if your phone has a screen lock. It doesn't matter. Just add that lock. Then you'll find this section where it says, Here. We can add an account, an email address we already have. But if you don't have an email address, click here where it says, Create. Personal account. Here we'll enter our names. If you have one or two names, add them. If you only have one, add it. And so on. Add your name. Then we'll add our date of birth, the year we were born. Then we'll select our gender and click here where it says, Next. Click Next. Here you choose the email address that's most helpful so you don't forget it. If you don't create a new one, click Next. Then you'll add a password. You can add uppercase letters, numbers, or any other letters you like. Click Next, and then this will appear. Click Next. Scroll down, and click Add. What will happen next? You'll see two options. One is to add 15 gigabytes. Select this option. Click Continue, and it will ask for a phone number. But I'm going to click here. To avoid adding a phone number, I'll select 5 gigabytes, click Success, and your Google account will be created. That's it. Your Google account is now created. Here you can see it. Now that you have your Google account created, you can go to the Play Store and download apps.